Queens, how you guys been doing? So I haven't been here for a long time now. So I would like let me just pop in and say hi to everybody, and I really appreciate y'all for your love and concern, people that have been reaching out to me. And I just honestly appreciate y'all. But today we are gonna be doing a special video. I am gonna be doing like a passion twist, and we are gonna be using a spring twist here for this video. So I want you guys to stay tuned for this video. So once again, if you are new here, welcome. This is home. You can always feel free to leave a comment, reach out to me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram link down below. You can reach out to me, and we can talk. But today I will be doing a spring twist afro hair, and we are gonna be doing like a kind of micro twist, but it's gonna be a little bit bigger, not super small. But I am getting my stuff, everything ready. So these are the stuff that I use for the spring twist. So lately I've been having a lot of clients for this style. So, and I'm like, let me just come up here and make a video so I can be able to send it to my clients, like my new clients and stuff like that. So this is the hair we are going to be using today. As you guys can see, I got everything ready. So we are going to be using a 1B30 and also the 1B. So she want a little bit of black mixed with the 1B30. So that's what we're going to be using. And it's going to be a little bit difficult for me because her hair is gold. She had dyed her hair a couple months ago, but the dye is moving out. And we are going to be doing it today. So I'm going to cover as much as possible. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to cover everything. But we're going to see. So this is how we started. The first thing, I am going to start parting my hair at the bottom. So we are going to be doing like kind of knotless, and also her hair really a little bit short. So the one I'm not able to hold with knotless, I'm going to be grabbing it just a regular, like a regular twist. So stay tuned for this video. And I'm done parting my hair, so I do have the little clip that I ordered off Amazon. I am gonna put the link down below, so let me know if you're interested in that. And also everything I am using in this video, I'm gonna leave the link down below. And leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and all that good stuff. So for right now I am accepting new clients, so let me know. Follow up on my Instagram, and also go on my website, my booking website. I do have a lot of information out there for new clients.